In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between internal and external sketches and why external sketches are better for your design intent. The way that you create an internal sketch is by starting off a tool like extrude or revolve and then creating the sketch inside of the feature. In this case, I'm going to create a text-based feature, and I'm just going to use INT to stand for internal. Hit the check mark, and my extrude is created. And if I expand the node next to extrude 1 in the model tree, you'll see that we have section 1 located inside of it, and that's the only place where it exists. It is internal to the feature. The way that you create an external sketch, first off, let me suppress this feature. The way that you create an external sketch is first, you click on the sketch tool and you select your sketch plane, hit the sketch button, and again I'm going to make a text-based feature, and this time I'll type ext for external, hit the check mark to get out of sketch mode, and I have my sketch in the model tree. When it's selected, now I can use another tool like extrude in order to create geometry. Hit the check mark, and there I have my sketch-based extrude. And if I expand extrude 2 in the model tree, you'll see that it has a dependent copy of sketch 1, and sketch 1 is automatically hidden, but I can unhide it if I want. Let's take a look at the advantages of using external sketches. I have 3 other sketches in my model tree, which I'm going to show, and I can easily edit definition of extrude 2 to use one of those other different shapes. For example, sketch A is a square, or I could change to sketch B, which is a circle, or sketch C, which is a hexagon, and I like that, so I'll go and click the check mark. And so, by having external sketches, you can easily toggle between different design alternatives, whereas extrude 1, if I resume that, if I want to change this, I have to go to section 1 inside of here and delete the existing geometry and then create whatever new geometry that I want to use. But let's go and suppress that. The other advantage of using external sketches is that the same external sketch can control multiple features. So here I have sketch C. If I also want that to create a revolve, I can have the same sketch drive multiple different features. Whereas with extrude 1, the sketch inside of there only drives extrude 1. It can't be used to drive other different features. One of the complaints that I hear against external sketches is that some people say that they clutter their model tree. That's really not an issue. In another video, I showed you how to configure your model tree. If you go to the settings icon, the settings button, and then choose tree filters, you could turn off the display of sketches that are used for a feature in order to unclutter. Or if you don't want to see sketches at all, you can turn off their display, and that way you don't see them in the model tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. That way you can be informed anytime that new videos are added. Thank you very much.